What's up, people? Today we are finishing up our 4-channel dash cam setup using the Blackview Power Magic Ultra battery, the Bravo 124 X-Ray. This is their latest battery. You can also purchase add-on batteries to plug into this to double its capacity, up to 5 add-on batteries. I think it said somewhere up to 96 hours of parking mode. If you're going on a cruise, you're going on a short weekend trip, and you have room in your car to stack 5 of these, go for it. Anyway, so what do I mean by a 4-channel dash cam setup? This is not a native 4-channel, 4-camera setup that you can buy. You have to create this yourself using 2 Blackview dash cams. For our front and rear, we are using the DR750 2-channel LTE up front, and here you can see pictures in the corner of your screen. And for our rear setup, or our side setup, we're using the new DR900X 2-channel. The driver side is protected by the front, and the passenger side is protected by the rear-facing camera. There were a lot of questions whether or not this was a 360-degree coverage. It absolutely is. I've already done some tests. You can go to our Instagram account right here, or in the corner here. You can see, check out the video I put up showing me standing in the corner of the vehicle, and I'm captured on both cameras. There's like an overlapping angle of attack, something like this. It's very shallow, but you do get that 360 degrees. So as a vehicle is leaving your driver's side, the front camera will not only start to pick it up while it's still in view over here, but if people were standing in what you would consider your blind spot, both cameras would catch them. Okay, check out that video for confirmation. So it's really easy to set it up. Number one, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, you can follow our other guides on how to set up the camera and where to tuck the wires and fuse tap, etc. I'll have a couple of links at the end of this video. Do your front and rear like normal. For your back camera, for your side view camera that you're going to set up, you're going to have to pick a spot that's convenient for you. I'm going to get back and I'm going to walk you around where I put the battery, in what compartment, how I ran the wires. It's not 100% clean yet. I don't feel like drilling any holes, but I do want to get some wire guides and some electrical tape that I have in here and actually really clean up the wires on the side. But I'm going to show you some pictures here now in the corner of your screen, and I'm going to walk you around and show you what it looks like. Check this out. All right, so today we are installing our Bravo 124 X-Ray battery from Blackview. We're mounting it inside this extra compartment I have in the trunk space of my Trackhawk. It's got a Velcro back. We've already Velcroed it. It's not going to go anywhere. Now we just have to clean up the wires and make it nice and neat, because I've got the rear-facing camera there for the 900X 2-channel and the front-facing channel there. We just have to clean up the wires and tuck them away, and we should be good to go. Wires are all cleaned up. So that's it. That's what the 4-channel homemade dash cam setup looks like. If you're interested in purchasing a setup like this, or if you're just interested in purchasing a dash cam, which I highly recommend you do, protect your investment. People have baby monitors to protect their kids. Why not get a dash cam to protect your car? Visit www.blackview.com/shop. Use our promo code East Coast Jeep SRT at checkout. Save yourself some money. All the information will be in the description of this video. You can reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I'll try to answer them the best I can. I respond the fastest if you go to our Instagram account and direct message me, because those pop up and I see them right away. Unfortunately, with YouTube, sometimes I don't see all the comments right away, and I do want to respond to each and every one of you that has a question. So that's it. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Before you go, hit that like button, hit the little bell notification next to it. Down here, if you would, click subscribe. Last but not least, you guys and girls all be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.